Hello Rockstars, welcome to my channel Online Money Logics. Here's another exciting video that can help you to earn $1,000 per day. These days, as a business person, I will advise you to think about affiliate marketing. It is a very large industry worldwide as well as in America. It is important for you to realize that this market size and expansion provide numerous chances for your company to expand. It might be overwhelming to choose from among the numerous affiliate marketing areas accessible. There are several well-established rivals in broad sectors like dating, banking, and health that you generally wouldn't consider competing with. Understanding the distinction between affiliate networks and in-house affiliate marketing programs, merchants, is the first mental obstacle to overcome. Although they are not interchangeable, some newbies use these phrases that way. Suppose you create an affiliate website that advertises outdoor recreational products like water slides, trampolines, lawn games, etc. Another option is to register for a network that links you to the majority of the product providers you'd like to deal with. For someone who is new to affiliate marketing, it makes sense to register with affiliate networks and proceed straightforwardly from there. However, affiliate networks are not a magic bullet. You would have to join up for each affiliate program separately because some of them are exclusive to networks other than affiliate networks. After that, you might choose to join up for a few or hundreds affiliate marketing schemes for various suppliers and manufacturers. Ways to begin your journey with affiliate marketing. We understand that you can't wait to start your affiliate marketing adventure, and the actions listed below will help you succeed. 1. Based on your passions and areas of interest, select a product or service specialty. Select a platform and/or affiliate profiles. 2. Provide original, excellent material since it will boost the likelihood that your affiliate program application will be approved. 3. Apply to affiliate programs and networks. You could also collaborate with retailers who provide advantageous conditions for your relationship. 4. Include affiliate links on your blog, website, social network accounts, digital assets, and so on. 5. Analyze your findings every month to find successful retailers. Then, in order to make more money, write more articles about them. How to choose a niche. When advertising affiliate goods or services, a niche in affiliate marketing is a particular area of interest you concentrate on. Your chances of success might rise by concentrating on a certain specialty that will draw in a more focused audience. The following advice can help you select a niche. Start by deciding on a market, industry, sector, or category, such as online services, technology, fashion, food, wellness, travel, finance, or pets. Select a market niche after that. For example, you will write about credit products and personal finance, such as credit cards, credit reporting, credit lines, credit rating, etc. Select a niche that you are truly interested in. It will be simpler for you to produce content and advertise goods about which you are enthusiastic. Select a niche with a sizable and expanding following. As a result, you will have access to a wider range of possible clients for your content marketing initiatives. Select an area where there is less competition. This will facilitate your sites or platforms ranking for pertinent keywords and increase visitors. Select a specialty that will never go out of style. This implies that even if trends shift, there will still be a significant market for the products and services in this area. Select a market niche you can profit from. There are at least 30 affiliate programs accessible for the niche's goods and services. Find and join affiliate programs. Where? Joining affiliate programs is free, and affiliate networks are the best resource for finding them. Thousands of publishers and advertisers come together through affiliate networks to create marketing alliances. Among the numerous trustworthy networks are Impact, Share a Sale, CJ Affiliate, Rakuten Advertising, Flex Offers, and Awin. Affiliate networks are also available on merchant websites. A business may use a variety of menu labels, such as affiliate marketing, partners, affiliates, affiliate programs, and affiliates. Some content producers also offer movies and listicles regarding the top shows. Finally, a company's program may be found online by searching for it, for instance, GetResponse Affiliate Program. Conclusion. Starting and maintaining an affiliate marketing business is a very low-risk, low-cost endeavor. Bloggers only need to spend less than $10 per month for hosting when using WordPress Content Management System, CMS. Social media marketers are able to post material on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Pinterest, and other platforms. Many business and marketing tools are available for free or at a minimal cost. This list includes more than 40 free marketing tools for affiliates. You may thus run your business for less than $10 to $50 a month. Give the video thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to our channel Online Money Logics.